Hello and welcome to IASET's video tutorial series, where we show you how to successfully navigate and utilize the IASET portal and its features. This topic is on paying the annual maintenance fee. As part of the process for maintaining IASET accreditation, accredited providers are required to submit an annual maintenance fee. This fee is due each year on the anniversary of your accreditation with IASET. Your invoice will be generated 90 days prior to this renewal date. Please be sure that your payments are on time so that you do not risk accruing an additional reactivation fee, or if too much time has passed, having your organization's accreditation lapse. There are a few ways to make a payment. On the IASET website, click on My Accreditation in your portal menu panel, and then find Annual Accreditation Fees. You will also see a reminder of the due date, and if you still need to submit your annual report, that will be listed here as well. You can also access this page under the Affiliation menu tab, and in a similar fashion, you'll click on Annual Report and Dues. Either of these methods will allow you to review your profile, connected employee accounts, administrative information, fill out your annual report if you have yet to do so, complete an industry survey, and ultimately make your payment. However, if you are in a hurry and just need to make the payment in that moment, you can navigate to My Invoices and pay directly there. Just click on the little blue paper icon to open up the invoice. Then, find either the green dollar icon or a Pay by Credit Card button in the upper right-hand corner to submit your credit card information. And one last note, if you are not authorized or otherwise able to directly pay the invoice and need to forward it onto another department, we offer a convenient PDF version of the invoice available to you at any time. Simply click on the red PDF symbol next to the green dollar icon, and this will open up a PDF of your invoice that includes the unpaid status, IASET's mailing address, the pending balance, and more. There is also a link to IASET's W-9 within the invoice. Well, this concludes our topic on paying the annual maintenance fee. Thank you for your time. Please contact the Accreditation Department with any questions you might have.